Can you believe it? The Dow finally hits 20,000. It is Wednesday, January 25th, 2017. My name's D7, and I'm doing this from my lousy laptop again. I'm having big time trading computer problems, and it is, I want to gag myself with a chainsaw. I'm having issue after issue after issue. I wanted to have this video to be massive fireworks and flashing lights and a celebration of hitting 20,000 on the Dow. It's amazing. Anyway, Dow is up 156 points, and we are up. NASDAQ over 1%. Banks up 1.5%. Financials up 1.7%. But there is something I want to share with you on those two things. Look at this S&P 500. Look at this. Boom! To the upside. Yesterday we broke out of the triangle, big bullish pennant. We broke out of it, stayed below this area of resistance, and then with authority pops over the top and closing right at the day's high. That is big time bullish. The Dow 20, remember that alert that I told everybody about I had set forever? Well, I never heard it because my trading computers has issues. I just replaced the whole motherboard in it, and now I'm looking, doing memory tests, and it looks like it could be a memory issue. And I got 64 gigs of RAM for you junkies out there, and it's a monster. I'm running a solid state hard drive for my OS, my operating system, and it's an i7, like 5390. It is a beast of a computer. I'm running RAID 1, and I've got 4 massive monitors that surround me, and one little glitch gives me problems. Anyway, I have not ever in my life had any trading computer give me this much issue, and this one's doing it. Anyway, I'm done whining. All-time record highs, guys. I mean, we're just off to the races on good volume. Up. The NASDAQ tech stocks just exploding. Yesterday when we broke that trend, I knew we were going to be in good shape. Volume a little light on the NASDAQ. Small caps did really well, but here's an issue. Look at this trend line I have coming across in small caps. This is Russell's 2000. We stalled right at it. So we could drop tomorrow filling this gap. Absolutely, Thursday could be a bearish day. Banks, if you look at this, we are still have resistance over the top of us. You can see this. I'm using a little finger pad here. I don't even have a mouse at this moment. I'm using my headset. Man, I feel like how I used to do my videos back 4 years ago, 5 years ago. That's how I feel right now. But anyway, the banks have overhead resistance. Financials, and they did really well today, just squeaking past resistance. You can see that we popped up here. Let's see. Blow this up, and we just broke resistance. I mean, just got over it. So that's pretty good news. That's pretty good news. So that's something I'm watching pretty closely. But this line, look at this one, support. The support, we opened right at that this morning. It's not by accident. Market makers and specialists, they know where the market is, and that's where they're going to open these things. Very, very cool. And crude oil, called it a buy yesterday, and today we're down. You can see that we're playing with this resistance line. If we break down of this resistance line, if we start to go lower, I am putting in a sell order, and we definitely could be heading down with the promise of increased demand out there. Gold drops, but I'm going to keep my buy order. I'm not ready to get rid of gold. Silver, same thing, drops, but we try to come up and fill that gap. You can see them where they did it before, and we kept going higher. So I'm going to keep my buy order on gold and silver even with that. Anyway, you guys really should do our 3-day mentorship. We have one coming up in March. Nothing for you in December, or I'm sorry, February. But something I'm doing a 2-day special course that we have never done before, and this is just something I'm doing. For 5G, you can come and be my guest, and you're going to trade alongside me. You've been listening to me a long time, and you trust what I share with you on a daily basis, and you definitely want to sit with me for 2 days. Not one-on-one, it's going to be one on a small group. There'll be a couple of you guys. But we will be trading together. It's not going to be a bunch of PowerPoints or training. It's going to be, let's trade. I'll show you what I do on a daily basis. I'll show you some really cool stuff, and I'll help you with what you're doing, and hopefully make a lot of money in those 2 days. So anyway, you can contact me at des, at groktrade.com. Anyway, catch you guys later.